Welcome back to the channel, 5 Tuning. Right now we're working on a 2019 Audi RS5 with a 2.9 liter motor, twin turbo. Process of doing this engine. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this took about a month, probably 2 months to do. The reason why it took so long, I know that wondering what took 2 months to do on it. Engine job? Yeah, it did, man. Number one, I had to wait for parts to come in. Also, getting pulled off of it. Right now, as you see in this video shot right here, I'm looking at the basically the brace, not engine brace, but the suspension brace at the bottom, cross brace, as they call it. Now, this is when I got the motor taken out. She's out. I had it lowered on the table, took it out from the bottom. I was excited about it, man. The transmission. It was not bad to do, man. It's not that bad. You take off a lot of connections at the top, and you know, just take your time, take hoses off, and line everything up, drop it on the table. Boom. Now, this is basically on the table, the process of taking stuff off. Right now, I'm giving like a slow look of everything, all the connections I need to take off, coils, wires, yeah, as you can see there, everything. That's crazy. The intake manifold is right there, like at the bottom. Like that, it's different how the setup is, man. Like that's crazy to me. I've never seen that. This is my first time seeing something like that. Yep. Right now you're looking at the charge pipe, basically. Alternator, coolant pipe. A lot of stuff going on here. And I'm telling you, this job wasn't that bad to do. I was happy I got it done. My first time doing it on the actual Audi, and this RS5 at that. But I'm happy. Happy to do that. Fuel lines, high pressure pump, all that good stuff. All that good stuff I have to take swap over to the new engine. Yeah, man. Happy about that one. Get that thing going. The cats, you can see the cats in the back. Beautiful cat, man. Beautiful cat. Don't blame me, man. I'll tell you about raising your voice at me, man. Whoa, bro. It's telling me to bump you. Huh? Yeah, I was like, whoa. Bro, we cool. We ain't cool like that. We cool like that. Relax. You gotta get to know it. You gotta get to know me first. You gotta buy me dinner or something. Oh, it's funny.